guys, Johnny Pink Eyes 13, and today's video is gonna be super duper exciting because I saw this really cool video today where it was a girl doing her winged eyeliner with, guess what, 1, 2, 3 bobby pin, and I was like, yo, that's so dope. If like this can help me achieve a super easy wing liner every day, then I think I'm gonna start doing wing liners every day now.
When I was like 14, and I remember when heavy makeup was a trend, it started to come out, I remember that I would do like a really snatched eyeliner, really snatched eyeshadow look by using tape. But I realized that if I keep on using tape over the time, over the years, that's bad for your skin, because when you put on tape, it's like stuck onto your skin really tight. So like when you lift it, like everything like lifts up, and like premature aging. So I stopped doing that for my own skin's good. I recommend you, if you're gonna do like a really special occasion, like really heavy makeup, like your makeup gotta look like on point, but like for that once in a while occasion, I say do the tape trick. But for every day, don't do the tape trick. Premature aging.
So without further ado, subscribe down below by hitting that red subscribe button. Please make that red subscribe button gray. Hit that post notification bell button right after you hit that subscribe button, so that way you're notified every single time I upload a new video. Share this video with your friends and family, so that way you can share with them this tip / trick on how to achieve the wing eyeliner. Well,
since this is like an experiment, and if hopefully it comes out well, then I say, hey, then yeah, I say suggest in this video. But if like maybe you heard them commented like, hey, I want to try the bobby pin winged eyeliner, then share them with this video and see how things go with my results. And yeah, so I'm really curious. I'm not even gonna lie, guys, this is my first time doing it. It's kind of like an attempt video, and yeah, I saw that video today and I was like, I want to attempt it like on camera and like realistically see like if it does work or not. So yeah, I wouldn't call this like a hack or tip video. No, this is like an experimental video. Yeah.
Okay, so check the description box down below as well for discount codes, discount links. I'm always writing updates there. And yeah, so let's get on with the video. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Revlon Color Stay Liquid Eye Pen. It says Classic #1 Blackest Black Noir Intense. This is the bobby pin right here. So that's a cool thing about the bobby pin. I see why the trick might work. So like you see how like this side goes like this, and then this side goes like this. So like you're able to flip it. I want to assume both eyebrows are like about the same length. So hopefully that this will mean that they're symmetrical. Oops. Guys, so like I got the triangle. Let's try to fill it in. Okay guys, this wasn't a total fail, as you guys saw. Like I just like did the line there. So like let me try to like connect it here. Okay, I think that this actually worked. Okay guys, so now that I have cleaned up my eyes, I'm very excited with the results and for being the first attempt on me doing this. I'm really happy with the results, and yes, I will continue doing this hack, this tip when doing my makeup. I will, and here is why. Look up close at how it looks like. They're symmetrical. And yeah, I'm just gonna be finishing off the eyeliner look. I'm just gonna be doing mascara, so that way you guys could see how this looks with mascara and a little bit of like under eyeshadow. And yeah guys, really recommend this hack. So what I do is, first I do, honestly I don't really pay attention to which one I do first. I just use the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. I do the volume and the curl / length in whichever order first, and then I top both mascaras off with the Great Lash Lots of Lashes by Maybelline. I feel like they do great at lengthening, but I love to apply this on top because I feel like this does a very good job at separating my lashes. So I grabbed the volume first. Like I said, I don't do any specific order. Some people do the volume first, some people do the curl length first. I want you to keep in mind, as you guys see, I have very, very short, straight lashes. Like my lashes are super short and then they go straight. This is a routine I've been doing. I feel like this is what's been working. And yeah, so let's get on with doing the other eye look, the little side by side. Okay guys, so now that I'm done with both lashes, let me just do the eyeliner. Like the eyeliner is super, super quick.
I don't do eyeliner. I do like eyeshadow eyeliner. Like what I like to do is, I don't like to do like eyeliner all over the under eye. I just like to go in with like a brown eyeshadow, honestly any brown eyeshadow. And then I just like going within this brush on my little lash and like the inside, like this part right here, you'll see what I'm talking about. And then I like to connect it with like this eyeliner, so it looks like, it makes my eyes look like a little bit like popped. Like look at this eye and then look at this eye.
I like using my fingers now for eyeshadow because I feel like with the heat of like your finger against the heat of your face, like it just makes the eyeshadows blend in more and better into your skin. So it doesn't leave like any harsh marks, and everything just looks like perfectly blended. I don't know how to describe it, but I just like the blend that it gives it in between the skin. We are done with today's look. So yeah guys, I really suggest this hack. 10 out of 10 recommended. So thank you so much guys for testing out this hack with me today. Love learning about it. So I'll see you very, very soon, my mermaid unicorn, if God permits. Bye.